Welcome to 3D Mechanical Design. In this SolidWorks tutorial, I'll show you an easy, step-by-step method to model a fan blade in SolidWorks. Today, we'll create a fan blade using key features like loft, full round fillet, extruded boss, and extruded cut. Let's get started. Select the right plane and start a new sketch. Use the 3-point arc tool to draw an arc near the origin. Then use offset entities to create a parallel arc at a distance of 0.125 inches. Connect the arcs with straight lines. Add a center line and position the center line in the middle with the origin point. Apply dimensions for radius, angle, and blade thickness to fully define the sketch. Create a new plane 14 inches away from the first sketch. On this new plane, sketch a 3-point corner rectangle, centering it at the origin and adding the required dimensions. Now, with 2 sketches ready, use the Loft Boss Base feature to generate the blade's 3D shape. Apply full round fillet to smooth the blade edges. Create an axis using the front and right planes, then use the circular pattern tool to replicate the blade and form a set of 6 blades. On the top plane, sketch the fan body, use extruded boss to form the base, and then create a central hole with the extruded cut feature. Congratulations! You've just completed a detailed 3D model of a fan in SolidWorks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more SolidWorks mechanical design tips in upcoming videos.